How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. In front of me is a Theremin musical instrument. This is the only instrument that you can play without touching it at all. Now, I've always been fascinated with various instruments that can make really strange sounds. Now, today, by no means am I a musician, but I'm going to demonstrate to you 10 different sound effects that I was able to produce just by fiddling with this thing. First, I have a Theremin musical instrument over here. It's a Moog Etherwave Plus. Over here is a random amplifier that I used to have in my car. It's actually a kit amplifier where I had to take all the parts and put it in a circuit board, solder it myself, and put it all together. So this thing happened to have a microphone input, which is the microphone output of this thing. So I just put this in, and I have this going out to a bazooka speaker. The bazooka speaker right here, the speaker itself actually disintegrated, so I had to attach another speaker that was a little bit oversized onto this thing, but hey, it works. So I have it all set up. You just turned it on, and it makes these weird noise. This thing on the left side controls the volume. I can lift my hand over here and you can hear the volume increasing. And this is about the loudest it gets. If my hand's about 2 inches from this thing, then there's no volume at all. Now my hand proximity to this antenna controls the pitch. So if I put my hand a little ways away from this antenna, it's gonna have a little bit of volume. And you can see it's making a certain pitch. If I get closer, really close, and if I happen to touch it, you're not supposed to touch it though, but just get really close and it's enough. Now I've set it up to get a good range of frequencies from here to here, but you can actually change this with the pitch knob over here. Now you can see the pitch is a bit higher, even though my hand is not that close to the antenna. I kind of prefer it to have a wide range. Now let's begin. I'm going to do 10 sound effects. The first one being a dead video game character. Now I'm going to do a racing car engine. And now I will do Mary Had a Little Lamb. Horror soundtrack. Tongue play. Now a wake up sound. And now some sort of dubstep type sound. Star Wars. Bitcoin price. Drone Theremin combination. So thanks for watching and letting me share this really strange and wonderful instrument with you guys. Don't forget to give me a like on this video, comment down below. Let me know what you think of this Theremin thing. If you're interested in supporting my channel, check out my Audible link down in the video description below. I have a paid channel over here, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. A seal. A baby seal. or a dog. I kind of like the video game, this dead video game character thing. I think it's in Mario, it sounds like this.